Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something sort of different. I don't think I've ever really, what am I trying to be cool? I haven't really done anything like, well, I think I have maybe a few times, but instead of doing an anti-haul, which I did previous to this, I am going to do a what I am so excited for at Sephora. All of this stuff is from Sephora. It's stuff that either has not launched yet or has launched, and I'm just not buying it because I can't, because I'm on a no-buy. I've kind of put myself at like a $50 a paycheck, which is every 2 weeks, kind of limit. So if something's over top of that $50, I kind of carry it over, and I've been trying to get some new stuff. I got the new Violet Floss Flamingo palette, the Too Faced concealer. What I'm wearing today is one of the Too Faced metal lippies. I have a purple liquid lipstick underneath, and then I put the topper on it. It's their magic topper. So freaking pretty. Cannot wait to take pictures of this. Anyways, so if you guys would like to see what I am so excited for coming up in Sephora, and most of the stuff I probably will buy slowly, but yeah, if you guys are interested, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Give me all the love. I want all the love. I want all the love. Oh my god, that's not good. Anyways, let's get into this video, and yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, what are you so freaking excited for? And yeah, so I have all the pictures on my phone, and I may throw in a few extras because there has been like some PR, like unboxing cuteness and stuff like that. Obviously, I do not get PR, but it's kind of cute, honestly. Like, I kind of just like looking at it, you know. Maybe one day a girl could dream. But the first thing that I'm going to talk about is something that is brand new today, and this is Saturday. I am filming this, so you're probably seeing this like on Thursday, so it's been talked about for a bit, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. It's right here. And it is so freaking pretty. I wish they didn't have quite as many like browns in it, but some of those colors are so freaking pretty, like Celestial and Wild Child, and oh my gosh, Soul Love. Ooh, I'm ready for this palette. I'm definitely picking this one up. It is available on August 7th for me. So that'll probably be like a really far back review. Stay tuned if you're interested. Also, where am I going? I went backwards. Oh my gosh, phone, you are just amazing, aren't you? Okay, there is this, and a few of these, actually a lot of these that I'm looking at right now are already out, but there are a few that aren't out yet, and it is these. These are the Fenty Summer Days and Summer Nights Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trios. I got to swatch these in Sephora, and they are just as beautiful as I saw. There is another kit that goes along with the one I just showed you, and I think that is the one that I really had my eye on, but they are $40 a piece. They do look full size, but it's not something that I'm going to be like running out and getting. It might be something that I get if I get this though. This is the Fenty Beauty. This is their little trio. It has Spanked, and if you would move, and Dusty Rose. It has two of, oh, little message. It has two of their, like their Amuse Bouche lipsticks. I really wanted to try some of those because I want to see what the formula is like without having to stick to one single color. I have a really dark kind of browny red here, and I have what looks like a classic red here. So I'm really excited to try that. That set is only $24, so maybe I will splurge for the Fenty glosses with the Amuse Bouche lipsticks so that I could do a comprehensive review. Anyway, another thing that I've been looking at and eyeing, and I know I probably will not be getting this, so do not expect this, but it is this right here. This is the Sublime Skin Highlighting Trio from Peter Thomas Roth. Or, no, Peter Thomas Roth. This is Pat McGrath. Oh, sorry. Anyway, this looks so cool. I have never bought anything from Pat McGrath before because it's expensive. So, you know, I would really like to purchase something by the end of this year. Maybe they'll bring out something for holiday. I'm not sure. But this is so freaking pretty. I haven't seen any reviews on it or like any real swatches except for on Instagram. So, you know, I don't know, maybe I will watch a couple of reviews, and then maybe at Christmas time when they have their 15% off, or is it 20%? I think it is 20%. Is it 20%? I'm not sure. But either way, when they have their percentage off, maybe I could look at it then. I'm not sure. I don't like buying really expensive things that I can't review and it'll be really late. But who knows? Let's just move on. The next one is this. This is the Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment by Murad. As you know, if you are not new to my channel, I get a lot of hormonal acne in this area, and then I have like clogged pores on my nose, and I do have some scarring and whatnot from those clogged pores. So like sometimes I just get really defeated because not a whole ton of what I've tried to use has worked. So I would really like to try this out. People are saying good things about it, but it is $52. So I'm hoping I can, you know, get it at some point and it will actually help. And I can review it, but I just feel like sometimes skincare can be a little bit of a weird review since everyone's skin is so different. But, you know, if you guys would like a checkup, maybe I will, you know, buy it and then do a few checkups throughout like a month or maybe 2. Anyway, if you'd like that, just comment down below. The next thing, which it seems so weird, these are both from the Sephora collection. It is this. And the first one that you saw is their colorful eyeshadows. Now this color particularly isn't one that I'm like dying to get. It's just their single shadows. They have like, oh god, they have a whole whack of them, and I would really like to try one out, see what it's like, try 2 out maybe, and yeah, just see what they are like. They are $10 a piece in Canadian, which isn't too bad. Like if I'm getting stuff from Sephora anyway, I'm good with that. And then the second thing that I showed you was the Sephora collection. This is their glitter jellies. Now they say they can be used on the face and on the body. I just want to try this out. I think this is a cool idea. I think that, you know, for avant-garde looks, or if you wanted to like dot it on your lips after your lipstick, I think that would be really cool. And yeah, I just want to try it out. It's $10. They have something like 6 shades, I think. And yeah, I want to try out some new cool things. They say that it dries down and that it stays put, which what else could you want from a glitter? I'm not saying you could even, like, you could put it on your lid because it did not say that, but, you know, do as you feel necessary, and, you know, beware that you can't get glitter in your eyes, and some glitter is just not made for the eyes, and it could scratch your cornea. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, I think this is, no, I've got a couple more. So this right here is already been out, and it keeps going out of stock like so much. It is in stock right now, and I'm not sure if I should take that plunge and buy it. I'm gonna wait till I get paid. Hopefully it'll be in stock by then, and I can like work it out and see if I have any extra money. So yeah, did I show you the picture of it? It's right here. And it is the Natasha Denona Blush and Glow. I just want more Natasha Denona. I did a video about my most expensive products and if I thought they were worth it, and this one was in it. It is a Natasha Denona Mini Sunset Palette, and I just wasn't super thrilled with this, so I want to try some more face products and stuff like that, and maybe I will enjoy them. I just think the colors in this palette were just nothing new to me, so it didn't really excite me in any way. Anyways, the last but not least is something that has not released yet, and it is these sneak peek for holiday 2018, and it is from Kat Von D. She has 2 fetish palettes coming out, and honestly, I want to try and buy both. I hope they come out before the sale because that would be really wonderful, but if they don't, I may only end up buying one. We have not seen the inside of these. Here's the picture. There is a lot of blurry pictures about it, but I'm definitely going to buy one. Probably the eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure. We're going to have to see what's inside. So yeah, guys, if you are interested in that, you're going to have to stay checked in on Trendmood, or, you know, whatever site you use. I also use Makeup News, and I'm just clicking, like, you know, flicking through to make sure I did actually talk about everything. Yeah, it looks like I did. And yeah, so that's about it, everybody. That is what I am dying to get. Oh, I forgot something. Another thing that I totally skipped over this. The Huda Beauty powder. I have this in my cart right now, and I so want to try it. I'm trying to look for, here we go. This is the picture. And I think I would be the color, come on now. I think it's Cupcake. I think I would be that color, and I really want to try this powder because it is for baking. Look at the PR packages. Are they not so freaking cute? Come on. But yeah, I have this in my cart, and I just haven't pushed the button yet because it is $43. But every person I've seen use it, it looks so full coverage and so pretty. I want to try it so badly. But yeah, guys, that is everything for today. That is everything for this video. If there is anything that I missed that you are freaking dying to try, make sure you comment down below because I would love to hear from you. And if you guys missed, like, yesterday's video or the day before that, I think it was an anti-haul of palettes. Make sure you go check that out. I will put that right here. And I will also put 2 videos right here so that you guys can check those out as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like this video, and make sure you go check out one of these videos that are popping up because I'm sure you will love my channel and love me, and we can all be one happy sweetie pie family. Alright guys, love you. Mwah, bye!